Mold making is a crucial service in the manufacturing industry that involves the creation of molds or patterns used to produce various products. The process involves the use of specialized tools and techniques to create a precise and accurate mold that can be used repeatedly to produce identical products. Mold making is used in various industries, including automotive, aerospace, medical, and consumer goods, among others. The mold-making process begins with the design of the product, which is then used to create a 3D model of the mold. The mold is then created using various materials, including metal, plastic, or composite materials. The mold is then tested to ensure that it meets the required specifications and can produce high-quality products consistently. Once the mold is approved, it is used to produce the final product using various manufacturing processes, including injection molding, blow molding, and compression molding, among others. Berkness Company is a leading manufacturer that specializes in the production of high-quality products for various industries. The company offers a wide range of services, including mold making, to help its clients produce high-quality products efficiently and cost-effectively. Berkness Company has a team of experienced professionals who use the latest tools and techniques to create precise and accurate molds that meet the required specifications. If you are looking for a reliable and experienced manufacturing company that offers mold-making services, Berkness Company is the right choice. The company has a proven track record of delivering high-quality products and services to its clients, and it is committed to providing exceptional customer service. To learn more about mold making and other services offered by Berkness Company, visit the Contact Us page on the company's website. The company's team of experts will be happy to answer any questions you may have and provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision. FAQs. 1. What materials are commonly used for mold making in manufacturing? Answer. The most commonly used materials for mold making and manufacturing are silicone, urethane, and epoxy. These materials are preferred because they are durable, flexible, and can withstand high temperatures. 2. What is the process of mold making and manufacturing? Answer. The process of mold making and manufacturing involves creating a mold of the desired object or product using a mold-making material. The mold is then filled with the desired material, such as plastic or metal, and allowed to cool or cure. Once the material has hardened, the mold is removed, and the finished product is ready for use. 3. What are the benefits of using mold making in manufacturing? Answer. The benefits of using mold making in manufacturing include the ability to create complex shapes and designs, consistent quality and accuracy, and cost-effectiveness for large-scale production. Mold making also allows for the creation of multiple identical parts, reducing the need for manual labor and increasing efficiency. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.